This is a quick performance installation video for K10735 small block tensioner only bracket. We're going to start by doing a little bit of pre-assembly on this here. We're going to take our 3/8 by 3" bolts, install them here, and then we have a longer 3/8 bolt that will go here. Flip that over. We have two short tubes here. These will go onto the water pump, so we want to make sure that the water pump bolts are out already, and then the longer tube will go here. That mounts to the cylinder head. Let's mount it to the engine. All right, we're going to start by getting our two bolts going into the water pump there, and we'll just get the threads just started before we grab a wrench. Get our threads started here, and we'll go ahead and tighten these down, and then we'll torque them to 25 foot-pounds. We'll go ahead and torque these down to 25 foot-pounds. I like to start with the cylinder head first, then move on to the water pump. Now we're going to install the tensioner. We're ready to install the tensioner. This tensioner actually came off of a 98-02 Camaro, so it's an LS tensioner, and so it does take 10mm bolts, which we've included with the tensioner in the kit. Slide it on there. We got nuts to capture it on the back side. Being 10mm bolts, we are going to torque these down to 37 foot-pounds. All right, we're ready to install the belt. In this iteration, we have the tensioner only bracket over here. This will actually go underneath the water pump. I'll do that for just a second, but then I'll actually slide this up here and get it on the bottom. Now I can take my 15mm I have loaded up and bring that down. We do want a little bit of a tight fit. We do a great job of calling out a belt for you to use in the installation instructions, but what we're really going to look at is where the tensioner marks land. We want it to be a little bit tight to start with, because as this belt takes a set, it's going to sink down further into the grooves. It's also going to stretch a little bit, effectively all making it longer. So we want a pretty short belt to start with. Let's take a look at those tensioner marks. Here you'll see 3 tensioner marks, and then this is an indicator which also acts as a hard stop. So we would like to see it somewhere in between these two close together marks. If you're somewhere here, we probably need to look at a shorter belt. Thank you for watching this quick performance installation video. If you have any questions about your install or just want to have some more information, please give us a call or give us an email. We want to hear from you. Also, if you have any pictures of your install, we would love to share those on social media, or if they're good enough, might even put them on the product page. Thank you.